Hey everyone, my name is Andy Stern and I'm here in Seattle with Jeremy Dubbs. We'd like to introduce you to our Kickstarter project called Nature Style. We've traveled to Japan for the last 2 winters. Now we're going on our 3rd, and we really wanted to put together a 4K cinematic, in-depth look into not only the snowboarding, but the culture and everything that surrounds winter in Japan.
So I really want to thank you guys for supporting us in this Kickstarter campaign. It means a lot to us. We're going to be using the money for production costs towards making this movie happen and completing the project. We're going to have a big premiere party in Seattle with an art show. You can get tickets to that by donating to our campaign. We really feel like this could be a groundbreaking project that showcases not just the snowboarding of Japan, but the nature, the people, the culture, and the environment. Nature Style.
Ooh, yeah.